Hi, welcome back. It's Mia from Atlassian. During the life of an issue, you'll make changes to it. You're likely to add comments, new references to files or URLs, and even reassign the issue to another member on your team. In an earlier tutorial, you learned how to add and edit data in an issue using the Issue Detail pane or the Edit Issue screen. We'll use that knowledge here when we update an issue and then hand it off to other team members. Let's do it. To get started, select the issue. The Issue Detail pane appears. Click the Quick Edit icons to get to data quickly, or use the drop-down menu to open the issue for editing. Here we'll add a new comment letting the team know what we've discovered. JIRA suggests possible values when you edit certain fields like components or fixed version. This allows you to quickly select an existing value instead of having to remember its exact name. Click Update to save the changes. Notifications are sent to the assignee and all watchers. Remember, most issues that come across your desk will require more than a simple fix. One person rarely resolves an issue without the input or skills from other team members. JIRA makes the process more robust by allowing team members to store information, including research and feedback, right in the issue. This supports transparency when it's time to hand the issue off to someone else during the development process. Here we change the assignee to Mitch Davis, and he gets notified that the issue is his to work on. He gets the complete issue with all the notes, findings, and attachments. This saves a lot of time for everybody. Just so you know, you need the Assign Issue permission to change an issue's assignee. Take some time to apply what you've learned in your own project.